Hi guys, this is Miss Remy here. Welcome back to my channel, and if it's your first time here, welcome, and a big thank you to my current subscribers for your support. I really appreciate that. And don't forget to like, subscribe, share, and comment. Click on the bell notification for whenever I post a video. So on this video, as you see, it will be a quick DIY. I was supposed to post a video yesterday for you guys, but I was so busy, so I'm giving you guys this quick little DIY that I'm doing. I am changing the color of one side of my wall, which is black with wallpaper. So stay tuned, and I hope you guys enjoy this. So guys, some tip for you. You see that right here? Like it's not like one piece. So my problem was that don't do it. If you're gonna do it, do one piece. Just go one by one. Don't cut it in the middle. So the reason I cut it in the middle, because the ladder was not mine. So my super let me hold his ladder, but I had to give it back to him. So my ceiling is very, very tall, and in the ceiling the wall is not straight. So no matter how much I tried to do it straight, it wasn't going straight. And it's also this building is very old, so they keep painting over it, so it has a lot of bubbles. You see that? Yeah, it has a lot of bubbles, but it doesn't matter. You see right here, because I'm gonna put a little this what is it, painting, whatever. I'm going to put it here, so it's gonna cover it up. And this right here, the scratch in the bottom, the couch is gonna be here, so it won't matter. But I was really not wanting to do this, because I'm like, I don't know if I wanna stay here or if I wanna move. But I'm like, because I'm in the process of something, I have to I have to stay here for another year. So, and I also went on and put these lights up, because also right here I'm going to put some shelves here to put my plants. I have plants here and I have some plants over there, so it's gonna be good. So I'm gonna put a mirror right here. So stay tuned. I have everything to fix this living room, but I just have to wait for 2 chairs from IKEA, and I have to get some painting to paint the table that I have, and I want to change the color. So everything is coming along. I just need time to put everything together. And one thing I have to tell you guys, when you're if you're trying to put your wallpaper up, trying to put it to touch the top ceiling, because I don't know if you can see, it looks like it's like a little bit didn't touch the ceiling. So you just look, if you look at right here, it's not this. It's very minor detail, but I'm such a perfectionist, so I like everything to be perfect. But like I said, if you're trying to put it up, I started with, like, you see how 1 strip, 2 strip, but when I got here, it was about to be over. So I ordered two walls. I mismeasured the wall, so it wasn't enough. So when I realized it wasn't enough, and then I have to give the ladder the next 2 days, the following day. So I was like, you know what, let me just, while I have the ladder, let me just do the top. Once I got the other 2 rolls, I can just use a chair or this little step tool that I have to just do the bottom. Yep, so that's about it, and stay tuned for the finished product. I think I'm trying to put everything together by this month, before December. In the kitchen, I have everything for the kitchen. I just have to have the time to put it together. Yeah, and that's it, guys. So I was going to post this video yesterday, that was Thursday, but I was so busy I couldn't. So I hope you guys have a joyful, a peaceful, a wonderful, and a blessed weekend. I'll see you on the next video.